What is up, guys, and welcome to another episode of Down South Adventures. Now, normally this video would be about my Raptor, but I bought these mirrors for the Raptor and they didn't have auto fold. So there's such a great set of mirrors that I didn't want them to go to waste. So now they're gonna go on my nephew Ethan's F-150. Stay tuned, we're gonna show you the OEDRO towing mirrors. So what makes these a great set of mirrors for the folks that have anywhere from a 2004, you can go and pull one out, Ethan. For the folks that have a 2004 through 2014 F-150, if your F-150 didn't come with turn signals or the puddle lights, these mirrors are less than 200 bucks and you get both. So we're gonna throw them on, what is yours, 04? All right, so you can see for his 2004, he just had the base black mirror. And I think one of yours was one of yours broken? Yeah, so, all right, so we're gonna give it a fresh look. I don't know if we're actually gonna wire up the lighting because that's gonna have to be something he probably does at a later date, but he does have that ability if he wants to. So this does come with the harnesses. So if it turns out that he does have a plug in there, but since he didn't have them from the factory, I'm not sure if he'll have a plug for him to go into, but just in case, it does have that. So one of the things that's good to change this out, he has one mirror that's kind of mismatched. I want to say, did it get shot out? Yeah, tell me that's not some North Carolina shit. It did get shot out, so we're gonna replace it. And if you'll notice that bullet hole, it seems like it's going the wrong direction. Well, that's because it was from the inside of the truck. You know, kids will be kids. All right, so we're getting ready to put these in. Ethan, what's the first thing we're gonna do to get this door panel off?
So first, you need to take a flathead. You got this little tiny panel right here.
Oh, did you already start without me?
A little bit.
All right, so we got a little
I'll
plastic
pop it back
cover.
in.
There we go.
Take it, pop it out. You got two 8mm bolts on the back of it.
Nice.
Pop these out.
Perfect.
And me, I have manual.
I'll be honest, I think manual is the best. It's nothing to break. Well, I say that, watch us break a handle.
You got a little piece that you can pop back.
Just a little cover.
Yep. Comes off like that and you can rotate it.
Nice.
And then in this little hole, you got a T20 bit. Take that out.
And is that all that's holding this door after that? Or do you have some clips?
Usually you will have a screw right here, which I don't for some reason. And then under, you got these, I believe they're 5mm under the door.
Was that in fact 5mm?
No, it was not. I believe it's a 6.
All right, we were wrong, guys. The bottom is a 6mm.
Unpop your speaker panel off. Just pulls right out. And then you got 4 5mm bolts going all around the speaker.
So you do need to take the speakers out to get your panel off, guys. All right, so he's got a speaker out. He's got all the clips and bolts out. So now you're just gonna lift this thing up because it's sitting on like a little lip, a little ledge. So we basically just watch him struggle with it for a while and offer him no assistance whatsoever. That's how things work here. All right, so once you get it over that lip, it should pop right off, and you are gonna have, and bring the box over, you will have a handle to disconnect, but we don't want to go through disconnecting that handle because you can just sit it on a box, and this is the box that it actually came in, so boom, perfect height. Once you get over here, you can see that the factory mirrors are held in with 4 bolts. One of them is hidden behind that sound dampener, so you do want to pull that back to expose that 4th bolt.
And then all 4 bolts to be 11 millimeters.
11 millimeters. And it does help to have a helper, or at least roll this window down so that you can grab that mirror so it doesn't fall off after he undoes it. So we've got our trusty Daryl from How Daryl Does It, and he's gonna pull that off. So on your factory mirrors, you have these push tabs that seal behind a piece of metal on the door. That just gives it some support, so make sure you don't forget those.
So just a hard yank.
Hard yank.
Or put a screwdriver down in there and pry.
Yep, that's what worked for us, is putting the screwdriver in and
I
prying
just didn't want to break anything.
for sure. All right, guys, so when you look at this mirror compared to the factory one that Daryl has, you can see it's made to hook the same way. It doesn't have the center one here, I'm not sure why, but it also has your electrical hookups. So if he had a wiring harness for that light and the puddle lights, that's what would hook into it. And it does have extenders in the pack as well. So this is just gonna go on exactly like the other one came off. And man, these really are good looking mirrors, guys. And again, I hope he ends up finding the wiring to utilize those puddle lights, because I love my puddle lights. All right, so when it comes to putting this thing on,
No, that's from when I didn't know there was 4 bolts, and I tried prying it off, and I found something.
ouch. All right, so once he puts it up to the other side, you can see on this side, those bolts come through, and it's just as simple as that, guys. Again, if we had the electronics, since this is an older truck, it doesn't have it, but if we had the electronics, you would of course plug your plugs in. As a bug in a rug. Yeah, that looks much better. Yeah, those look fantastic. And again, guys, these mirrors are only around $170. And so yeah, once they're on, they look really good. Everything I've ever gotten from this brand, again, it's OEDRO, OEDRO. Everything I've ever gotten from them it's been a good product. And so now, Ethan is just clipping his door frame back in place. He'll put his speakers back in, and we're done. All right, guys, so this was Ethan's first YouTube video. He has actually started a job as a mobile mechanic, so kudos to you, man. So overall, what did you think on the install of these mirrors?
It's pretty simple, nothing too hard. Definitely can do it yourself. It does definitely give my truck a whole newer look,
Yeah,
newer model look.
Yeah, for sure. Definitely, he's got the aftermarket lights, so having the reflector on the outside. Like I said, I think he may try to work on wiring these things up, but that's something he'll do at a later time, not on this video. But again, you saw he put these on himself, so it's not a very difficult process. And again, I do think that it looks great on the truck. So check these guys out. These mirrors are less than $200. I'll leave a link in the description below. As always, thanks for watching, guys.